A reading from the second book of Kings. In those days, Ezekiel became ill and was at the point of death. The prophet Isaiah, son of Amos, went to him and said, "This is what the Lord says. Put your house in order, because you are going to die. You will not recover." Ezekiel turned his face to the wall and prayed to the Lord. "Remember, Lord, how I have walked before you faithfully and with wholehearted devotion, and have done what is good in your eyes." And Ezekiel wept bitterly. Before Isaiah had left the middle court, the word of the Lord came to him. "Go back and tell Ezekiel, the ruler of my people, this is what the Lord, the God of your father David, says. I have heard your prayer and seen your tears. I will heal you. On the third day from now, you will go up to the temple of the Lord. I will add 15 years to your life, and I will deliver you and this city from the hand of King Assyria. I will defend this city for my sake and for the sake of my servant David." The word of the Lord.